Now a quick look at the genetic code using the code dictionary. We said that it is a triplet code. Codon is a triplet. It contains 3 base nucleotide base which are present, and because it is present in RNA, you are not going to find T over here, you are going to find U. We had talked about the wobbler hypothesis that in the beginning the 2 codons happen to be similar, 2 of the codons in the triplet happen to be similar while the last one changes, and we have 20 naturally occurring amino acids that are being coded. What you see over here is you have first base that is at the 5' end, you have the second base, and you have the third base at the 3' end in the RNA, and this entire is the representation of the code dictionary. First of all, I want you to pay attention towards this AUG. AUG is the start codon, okay? You have to remember this. AUG codes for methionine, it is the start codon. You are not going to find any other coding for methionine. So, this is the simplest thing that you have to remember, that whenever there is going to be a process from where the amino acids would identify and join to translation. Now, you would say what it is. For that we have next lessons, but do remember that whenever translation would begin, it would begin at the site where the codon will be AUG, that is start codon, and whenever the amino acid chain would come to an end, that would be these 3 sequences which are responsible for stopping the process of translation, and hence the name stop codon, okay. 3 of them are stop codon. Another point you have to remember is that these stop codons do not have any tRNA corresponding to them. Now, this is also something which comes from future into the lesson, but you will watch it and get to know what these tRNA's purpose is, but for now you have to remember these 4. One is start, other are stop. One codes for methionine. Methionine is an amino acid, it acts as the start codon. As you can see over here, you take all the probabilities and get 64 probabilities which are possible using the triplet codon, and here lies the naming of all, okay. We have phenylalanine, we have leucine, we have serine, we have tyrosine, cytosine, we have all the amino acids that could be coded, and what you have to remember is all the names you have to remember. Like if you are having AC in the beginning, AC, you just have to change the last codon and last base, and you get to know that these all codings are for threonine, okay. Same way alanine, you just have to remember the first 2 and last you are changing and you getting alanine. In the same case you have valine, GU would be common in all, and you change the third one that lies towards the 3' end. In this way you can learn what genetic code dictionary tells us. If you learn it and practice it this way, it will be easier for you instead of just cramming this code stands for this. Like you have 2 A and G are for lysine, while U and C, if there is double arrangement of AA, then that is arginine. So, such is the arrangement. You can simply learn it using the wobble hypothesis that was given by Crick, and this code dictionary will be just like a mathematics table for you. Okay, it appears to be difficult, it appears that it is a mammoth task to learn, but it is very simple if you use your knowledge about wobble hypothesis that was proposed by Crick, and what he said was that only the last codon changes for a particular amino acid, though it is degenerate, it is unambiguous, but if you change the last codon, then you are going to find that same amino acid, and it is easier to learn it. So, have a look at this, learn it properly, and you will be done with code dictionary.